Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Mazda CX5 Maxx Sport, stock reference number 4002. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2012 through to the 12th month 2016. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. SH 2.2 litre twin-turbo 4-cylinder diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light. Left front, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Tidy rear bumper cover. Right rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. And a right front, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control heated controls, factory touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.